Ariana Joy Diamante Villegas, 18 years old, currently taking up Bachelor of Science in Social Work at Caraga State University. And today, please join me as I share my experiences as a first-year student.
My first semester presented two main hurdles. First is the effective time management and building social network. I struggled to prioritize tasks leading to missed deadlines and increased stress. Simultaneously, the transition to university life made it difficult to meet new people and build friendship, leading to feeling of loneliness and isolation. Time management issue directly affected my adherence to CSU academic deadlines. Missed assignment and late submission resulted from poor scheduling. While not directly violating any special rules, the lack of strong support networks indirectly affect my ability to seek help when needed, potentially impacting my academic success and overall well-being. To address these challenges, I focus on developing several key in 21st century skills. Firstly, I implemented time management techniques and using productivity apps and breaking down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Secondly, I actively sought opportunities to connect with peers. And this where I found my family. My home away from home, the Mas Amigos family, where I found my true happiness, love, and genuine support from them. That makes my first semester happy, bearable, even in many circumstances that comes in my life. They help me realize that studying away from your family isn't that unhappy. It's a new lessons that you've learned in any path that you've encountered. With these people, they make my first semester bearable at Caraga State University. My first semester at CSU was a learning experience, teaching me the importance of effective time management and building a supportive social network. By focusing of your strength rather than your weakness, you will make a significant progress in addressing these challenges and look forward to a successful and well-rounded university experience. Dalaygon og daghang salamat.